Caring for mental health of our elderly during COVID-19 pandemic. India has a population of around 150 million people above 60 years of age who are particularly at risk during the current coronavirus outbreak. How does the mental health of the elderly get affected during such crises? They can show increased levels of stress, anxiety, and depression due to the current lockdown and quarantine, leading to feelings of loneliness and isolation, especially if they are staying alone. Mental health problems experienced by the elderly can include mood changes. They can become more anxious, agitated, irritable, angry, or confused, or show feelings of helplessness and hopelessness about the future. Show preoccupations. The elderly can also become more preoccupied with pre existing medical or physical problems and develop insecurity about death and dying. Abuse of substances. Some might increase intake of alcohol, sedatives, or other drugs to cope with their distress. Tips for mental health care of the elderly. Here are some guidelines and tips to take care of the mental health of your elderly during the current pandemic. Give simple factual information about the current corona pandemic. Explain in a clear, concise way how the risk of infection can be minimized by correct practices like wearing masks, washing hands regularly, and following social distancing guidelines. Repeat information if necessary and clarify their doubts patiently. Help them maintain normal routines. Routines give a sense of normalcy and reassures the elderly. Set regular times for their sleeping and waking, eating, bathing, worship, recreation, and other such routine activities. Make sure they get adequate exercise to stay healthy. Encourage them to carry out simple exercises such as walking within the home premises, stretching, simple yoga postures, movement to music, or even dancing. Being physically active boosts emotional well-being. Practicing relaxation exercise to reduce stress and anxiety. Relaxation exercises such as simple deep breathing or mindful breathing, pranayam, training the muscles of the body to relax, like doing shavasana, can all be taught or learned through YouTube videos and practiced every day. Help them engage in activities that uplifts their spirits. Feel-good activities such as reading, listening to their favorite songs or bhajans, chanting, meditating, gardening, going through old photographs, watching spiritual or inspirational videos, and comedy shows can all dispel their gloom. Involve them in family activities. Help and encourage elders to participate in family time and discussions, to play board games, interact with their grandchildren, or do storytelling. You can teach them to use technology to connect with other relatives and their friends. Discourage them from consuming excessive news. Make them understand the negative impact on the mind by reading, listening, or watching too many news updates and social media forwards about the pandemic. Help them to find authentic and credible sources of information to be engaged in a limited manner only. Encourage them to talk freely about their concerns. Give them some undivided time and attention. Listen calmly and patiently to their worries and concerns, be it loneliness, fear, financial insecurities, or helplessness about their disturbed routines. Be in constant touch with them if they are staying alone. Being old Having medical problems and living away from their loved ones makes the elderly feel more vulnerable and isolated. So, be in daily contact with them through phone, video chats at regular times. Encourage friends and relatives to call in or text them frequently. Ensure nutritious food, necessary supplies, and medications. Lastly, make sure that your elders are getting fresh, nutritious foods that are also immunity boosting, including recommended supplements. Make sure that they take their prescribed medications regularly. If they live alone, make online orders and delivery of supplies for them. Help the elderly stay physically healthy, emotionally secure, socially connected, and spiritually uplifted during these tough times.